Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about practical geometry of class 7th, that is chapter 10. So in this chapter, practical geometry, as the name suggests, this is the basically construction of triangles. So let's see the first question. What is the first question of exercise 10.1? It's written there, draw a line, say AB, take a point C outside it. We have to take a point C outside it through C. Draw a parallel line to AB using ruler and compass only. So we'll go through the same. So what we have to do, we have to draw a line, which is and that's a line, not a line segment, so we can take any measurement as we want. So that's I've taken. Just so you know, I've taken the pen in the rounder. You don't have to do that. You'll use the pencil only. I've taken the black pen because you can see it very properly with the black pen. So we have taken, say, the point C outside it. This is the point C that we have taken, and this from C we have to draw a parallel line to AB. Parallel line, which means it will be in a same distance with the other line. So what we will equal distance, not the same distance, equal distance with the other line. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a line to AB which will meet at P. Now we're gonna use the concept of alternate interior angle here. The first thing that we're gonna do is take P as a center, set up a convenient arc, whatever the convenient arc will be, and then draw it with the rounder like this. And when we done this, when we did this, what did happen? We got 2 points, 2 intersection points, E and D. So if you want, you can label it. If not a problem. E and D. These are the 2 intersection points. Now with the same arc that we have taken, see, this is the same arc that we have taken before. Alright, with the same arc, what we have to do, we will be drawing the arc from C also, but in the opposite direction. Since we have drawn till here, we have to draw it to the other side. So that's what we are doing. See, that's what we have done. Same arc. Why we are doing so? Because we know that one of the parallel line will be here. If imaginary parallel line will be passing through C, then these two angles will be alternate interior angle. So with the property of the parallel lines, if the alternate interior angles are equal, that means the lines are parallel also. The same thing we're gonna do. We're gonna copy the angle. Now measure the arc ED. See, we have measured the arc ED. Now put it on here. Let's label it as H. Now I'm gonna keep my rounder at H. I'm gonna cut the arc at F. The point I'm gonna take it as F. Now the last thing that we have to do is we just have to join C and F with each other. That's it. And as you can see, we are already getting a parallel line. So this is the parallel line CD. Say CD. See, CD is parallel to AB. Why? Because angle BPC is equals to angle DCP. Why? Alternate interior angle. And since the alternate interior angles are equal, therefore CD will be parallel to AB. Okay? In the same way, we're going to take one more question. The next question, the question number 2 of the same exercise, which is, now this was the question point when we're taking the point outside the line. Now the next question is when we're going to take the point on the line. Okay, if you want to do it in the similar manner, you can do that similar manner. There are 2 different methods. One more method is there. I'm going to explain it later, but this is the method in which it has been said that draw a line L and draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. Take any point on L and then draw the perpendicular. Okay, on this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Okay, perpendicular distance will be 4, and through x draw a line M parallel to L. So simple है, nothing much to do. As it has been said, draw a parallel line. The first thing that you have to do is just draw a line L. So we're gonna do first, let's draw the line L. This is our line L. Now on L, take any point on L, take any point on L and draw on this perpendicular, choosing point X. So क्या करना है आपको, यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी एक पॉइंट P ले लो. चलो लेट्स से कि वो पॉइंट क्या है, P है. इस P पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, we need to draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So construction of 90 degree, do the construction of 90 degree. So take the convenient arc as putting it to the first point 60 degree, second point 120, from 60 and from 120, which will provide you 90 degree. Bisector of 60 and 90, 60 and 120 will be 30, and 60 plus 30 will be 90 degree. Now see, we have drawn a perpendicular, give it name as M, I'm saying. Okay, 90 degree we have drawn. Now in this on this perpendicular, choose any point X at a distance of 4 centimeter. So in this PM we have to take the distance of 4 centimeter. That's what we have taken. Cut an arc. Now this is our point X. Okay, now this is our point X. Now from X, now the case will be similar to this one. Why? Because this is the vertical distance. ये जो आपका distance था, ये given था इस particular case में. But previously it was not said कि how much distance we have to taken between the two parallel lines. So there it is. Now you can treat this X as a outside point. अब इस आप X को क्या treat कर सकते हो, एक outside point treat कर सकते हो. कोई भी एक एंगल जैसा भी आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, इसको स्लैंटिंग लाइन लेके किस पे, लाइन L पर कट कर दो and name it as a Y. Now you have to do the same thing. यहाँ पे alternate interior angle बना लो. Same angle हम लोग कहाँ बनाएंगे, YX पर बनाएंगे. So I'm gonna I will be putting my rounder at P, drawing out an arc, and the same arc I'm going to drawing it X in the opposite sides, है ना, opposite direction. Since I have drawn here, same concept we are using, alternate interior angle. See, that was similar, there was no change. Okay, this is the cutting point. Now join these 2 points, you will be getting the parallel line to L. Cutting point ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है. Now you can make it work like this. और ये आपका हो गया parallel to L. Now label it as whatever you want it. ये हो गया, देखो ये दोनों पॉइंट्स थे कौन से, A और ये B, 2 पॉइंट्स मिले. यहाँ पर कौन से पॉइंट्स मिल गए, C and D. And from D to X you have drawn a line. Label it as a M. और यहाँ पे आप लिख दो, since angle PYX is equals to angle NXY, by which property, alternate interior angle. Therefore MN is parallel to YP, or line M is parallel to line L. Whatever you want to label it, it's totally up to you. Okay, so these are the 2 questions which are interrelated to one another. So what we have done here, let's quick recall. We have drawn a parallel line L. We have taken any point on P. P पे point लेने के बाद हमने क्या किया, एक perpendicular draw किया P पर. P पर हमने 4 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस पे क्या किया, एक पॉइंट X मार्क किया. उस X को अब सिमिलरली हमने क्या किया, समझ लिया एक आउटसाइड पॉइंट है. फ्रॉम दैट आउटसाइड पॉइंट वी हैव जॉइंड द लाइन L which will intersect at Y, and from Y we have drawn the alternate interior angle, and by joining the alternate interior angle points we gotta get the other parallel line which will the line M which is parallel to L. Okay. Thank you.